Welcome to Get Paid with Apps, where we review applications to help you make a little bit of money on the side. Today we're going to be talking about Marble, which is an app that pays you for your insurance data. Okay, let's open the Marble app and take a look around. So you see I've got my car synced up there. You can add your auto, home, life, pet, or renter insurance to earn marbles. You can also add all of this down here, but you don't earn anything extra for it, so I don't see the point to it. Then this app, you can shop for new insurance if you want to. You can get a quote for auto, home, and all that stuff that we just talked about. So you can get scores for particular insurance companies like Geico. Marble scores them to let you know what they think about them, so you can kind of look through it if you want. So on the first of each month, you'll receive a new set of Learn Something New for 100 marbles total. There's 30 marbles for the first one, and it says approximately how often do you compare offers. It'll just ask you a few questions about insurance. They're real simple. It just takes a few seconds to answer them. So you can do that on the first of the month or any time throughout the month. Just don't let them expire before the new ones pop up. And you'll get 100 marbles each time you do that, which is the equivalent of $1. Once you get your marbles from adding a policy, you can redeem them for an Amazon gift card or an Uber gift card. Those are the only two options that are available through Marble. And I think you need $10 minimum to cash out to either of them. And there is a refer a friend program for Marble for invite your friends and earn 100 marbles for each referral. So I will leave my referral link in the comments for you to sign up for Marble. It's a real simple, stupid, easy app. You might as well just use it if you've got some insurance. That's going to do it for Marble. If you are interested in more apps, just go to getpaidwithapps.com and you'll find a whole bunch of apps there you can sign up for today and start making money. We'll see you in the next video.